Hi, I'm Juan, General Manager of Capt Golf Carts, a licensed franchise motor vehicle dealer in Homosassa and Crystal River that exclusively deals in golf carts. The Wildwood address and phone number you called for golf cart repair is my home. Since I live in Wildwood and play in the villages, I know getting your golf cart serviced or repaired quickly is impossible. That's why Capt Jim has agreed to offer you, our neighbors in the villages, free golf cart pickup and delivery for service or repair. We'll take your cart to our service and repair center in Homosassa, where one of our 5 full-time technicians, including Capt Jim, will diagnose and fix the problem, usually the same day if we don't need to special order parts. That means most of the time, you get your cart back fully serviced or repaired in just 24 hours. It's our way of being a good neighbor. So please take advantage of our free pickup and delivery by calling me, Juan, the General Manager, directly at 352-422-7472. I'm your neighbor, who many villagers have already trusted with their carts, and I promise you can too. That's Capt Jim Golf Carts, 352-422-7472. Look forward to hearing from you.